Today we're going to talk about processing. The example that I'm going to use for processing is the idea of how to make plastic. There are several resources online to use. I work for a company now that makes plastic. There's a long process involved in making plastic. One site online is AmericanChemistry.com that gives you more broad details of the steps involved in making plastic. Also, our company website of PinnaclePolymers.com also tells different steps involved in the data of each product that we produce. The steps start with the reaction of the plastic. There are different chemicals involved to form that reaction. Once the reaction's formed, that makes the resin, which is then sent into the extrusion. Once in the extrusion, that process involves dropping different mixes for different batches, whatever product is wanting to be produced for different melt flows. Once it's ran through the extrusion, it is then sent by blowers to be sent out through rail cars. Once it's in the rail car, they are sent to different buyers. Each buyer is asking for different melt flows. The melt flow depends on which type of product they're going to make, depending on if it's going to be a soft plastic, a harder plastic, or whatever. With the making of the plastic, and depends on the melt flow, that is what involves how it's going to be molded. If the melt flow is low melt flow, then it can be a harder plastic. If it's a higher melt flow, it can be a softer plastic. Another company is AICHE.org. On that website, they also identify the different steps in the process that's involved in making the plastic. Thank you.